A Siberian squirrel. It can glide. A furry membrane stretches from its wrists to its ankles. There could hardly be a more efficient way of travelling. At this time of the year, the female squirrels are not only feeding for themselves, they're also raising families. A disused woodpecker's nest hole protects the young squirrels from the sub-zero temperature. 5 weeks later, the warmth of spring has transformed the forests. It's time for the young squirrels to leave the shelter of their nest. But first flights are somewhat daunting.